Hello student, today we are going to do the exercise of workbook chapter number 1 history. Let's know the history. ठीक है, फर्स्ट हम लोग देखेंगे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन. चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम those given below the each question and write index letter. You have to write the alphabetic. First one is, in the ancient time man used to write on which thing? The answer is C. Okay, inner bark of tree. Second one, which of the following is not a source to know history? Answer is D, vehicle. Third one, which of the following writing lasts longer? Answer is A, record. Okay. Fourth one, manuscripts were written on the thin bark of which trees of Himalayas? Answer is bridge. What are the articles written on or carved on metal and stone called? The answer is A, inscription. Inscription of which ruler are very famous? The answer is D, Ashoka. Seventh one, by which name is the learner of historical sources known? Answer is D, archaeologist. With the help of researches of historians, we get the glimpses of great civilization of India. These flourished on the bank of which river in northern northwestern India? Answer is D, Indus. What is the Iranians called the Indus river? Answer is C, Indus. What did the Greek call the Indus river? Answer is B, Indus. From which Vedas do we find the name of Bharat? Answer is A, Ring Veda. 12th one, the chronology was started from the birth year of founder of which religion? Answer is C, Christian city. Who is the founder of Christianity? Jesus Christ. Very often, how is chronology written instead of AD? Answer is A, CE. 15th one, very often, how is chronology written instead of BC? Answer is C, BCE. 16, which of the following is not a manuscript? Answer is C, Tamra Patra. Okay, so this was the multiple choice question. Second one is filling the blanks. History gives us information about past of human society. Second one, social science introduce us to present social life. Third one, archaeologists and historians bring the past to our life. Fourth one, we know our country by two names, India and Bharat. ठीक है. The fifth one, in ancient time people wrote manuscript on the leaf of palm tree. Sixth one, Shri Mahavir Jain Aradhana Kendra is located at Koba in Gandhinagar. Seventh one, many times BP means before present word is used. Eighth one, archaeologists are the important scholars of the past. Ninth one, the information about human of Indian's age in India is found from manuscript written on Tadpatra and Bhojpatra. So here this fill blanks is over. Second one, the question number third is tick the correct answer. First one is history inform us about the changes that occurred in our human life. Answer is true. History takes us to a different world of the present. Wrong. Third one is Tadpatra means a manuscript written on the bark of palm tree. That is wrong. Fourth one, the Bhojpatra of Ashoka were very famous. That is wrong. The texts of manuscript of ancient time are found in Sanskrit, Prakrit and Tamil language. Answer is true. Coins are also the important tools sources to known history. That is true. Panchmark coin are the oldest coin. True. The information about the modern age of India is found from the manuscripts like Tadpatra and Bhojpatra. That is wrong. The word India is derived from Bharat. That is wrong. The last fill in the blanks is ninth one here. You are not able to see properly here. Okay. 10th one, a group of people named Bharat came to settle in South India. That one true, wrong. Okay, answer is false. Now fourth question is match the pair. You can see here records where you will do, that is answer number fifth, text engraved on stone or metals. That is Tamarpatra means copper plate. That is answer 3, the bark of bridge tree. BC means before birth of Christ and AD means Anno Domini. The second will match the pair is First one is historical scholar. The answer is third, archaeologist, Indus. Second one, fourth one is that is Sindhu. The Museum of Tamarpatra, that is fifth one. The Institute of Indology, Navrangapura. Fourth one is the Museum of Manuscript. Second one, the temples and Montessori's. Okay. So here is match the column is over. The next question number fifth is answer the following question in one or two sentences. फर्स्ट वन यहाँ पे थोड़ा प्रॉपर नहीं दिखेगा, ओके थोड़ा सा लाइट है. विच आर द ओल्डेस्ट कॉइन ऑफ इंडिया? द पंचमा कॉइन ऑफ द फिफ्थ एरा इज द ओल्डेस्ट कॉइन ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज विच आर द सोर्सेज टू नोन हिस्ट्री? ताड़पत्र, भोजपत्र, इंस्क्रिप्शन, तमारपत्र, कॉइन्स, ओल्ड बिल्डिंग्स, ब्रिक, स्टोन्स, इम्प्लीमेंट्स, टूल्स, food samples, bones of animals and humans diaries etc. are the sources to know the history. Okay, then the third question is which information does social science give us? Social science gives us the information about history, geography, economics, social condition, institutions, politics, present social life etc. Okay, so this one is the third question. Fourth one is what did the people use for writing in ancient times? So answer is here. People used tadpatra, that is used on palm leaves, or bhojpatra, bridge bark, for writing in ancient time. Fifth one is in which languages are the writing texts found in manuscript? In manuscript, the writing texts are found in Sanskrit, Prakrit and Tamil language. Okay. Now sixth question is the writings on which historical sources are long lasting? The writing on the historical source known as stone or metal inscription are long lasting. Seventh one is what are tamrapatras? The writing texts engraved on the copper plate sheet are called tamrapatras. Eighth one, how did the king use tamrapatras? The king used tamrapatras by engraving information about their administration and donation, means charity, on the copper plate, means that it was a sheet. Okay, this was the 8th question. And answer question number 9, which foreign travelers came to India in ancient times? The foreign travelers like Megasthenes, Pliny, Fahian, Hume, Tansing etc. came to India in ancient times. Okay, the question number 10, by which two names in our country known? Our country known by two names of India and Bharat. 11th one, with which river of India were the people of ancient Iran and Greece familiar? The people of ancient Iran and Greece were familiar with the Indus, means Sindhu river of India. In which work of Sanskrit is a group of people called Bharat mentioned? A group of people called Bharat is mentioned in Sanskrit. Earliest work Ring Veda. Question number 13, with which chronology has the time dateline of the world been associated? The time dateline of the world has been associated with the birth of Christ. Question number 14, why is the AD word used for chronology in our country? Christian religion is associated with most of the countries of the world. Therefore, like many countries, AD word is used for the chronology in our country. Question number 15, how many years ago had the cities developed in the areas around the Ganga river? The cities had developed 2500 years ago in the areas around the Ganga river. Question number 16, who bring the past in our life? The archaeologists and the historians bring the past to our life. Question number 17, which bank of Indus river was known as the India by the Iranians? The east bank of Indus river was known as India to the Iranians. Question number 6 now, explain the following terms. The first one is Tadpatra. The manuscript or articles written on the leaf of palm tree are known as Tadpatras. Bhojpatra, the manuscript or articles written on the thin bark of tree found in Himalayas are called Bhojapatras. Inscription, writing carved on the stone are known as inscription. Punchmark coins, the coins created by pressing metal piece in the molds आर नोन एज पंच मार्क कॉइन्स। ओके, सो टिल हियर वी विल सी, ये सारा वर्कबुक के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं, एक्सरसाइज हैं। इसके बाद हाफ पार्ट जो है वर्कबुक का वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे। प्लीज़ अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, और प्लीज़ कमेंट कीजिए कि कैसा लगा आपको वीडियो। थैंक यू सो मच।